What's going on, guys? John with the ProCut, and I got a little package from a company, and they wanted me to check out their product and do a little unboxing and review. Let's see. Hi, I wanted to take a moment to express my sincere gratitude for the valuable content and insight you share through your blog. Your work's been a source of inspiration and education for me, and I've truly appreciated the time and effort you put into creating it. Alright. So it's leadchuang.com is the company. And what this is a power socket, multi-function. So it's got 3 AC outlets, 3 USBs, 3.4 amp total USB output, and surge protection. One nice feature is it's got a flat plug, very slim. This is probably the slimmest flat plug that I've ever seen, and the wiring lays flat too. So if you needed to plug this in behind something, it really takes up no room at all. Got the on and off. It's got 2 USB A's and 1 USB C, as well as 3 outlets. And then it's got 4 rubberized feet, so if it's just sitting on the floor or a countertop or something, it's going to be pretty stable. And then it's also got this fold out bracket with a couple of T-slots, so you can screw this and hang it on a wall. So very cool socket, and I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in and try it out and see what I think of that. Alright, so a little bit more on the specs. AC input is 100 through 220 volts. AC output is 15 amp 125 volt 1875 watts. The USB output is 5 volt at 3.4 amp 17 watt max, and it's got 600 joules of surge protection. And on the side you got some, so that's that information there. And then on the side you got some warnings: risk of electric shock, risk of fire, keep away from high temp devices at no time should the power strip be exposed to moisture, indoor use only. Make sure the power strip is completely inserted and tight fitting. Do not overload. Do not no user serviceable parts inside. Do not unscrew the device. Only plug it into a standard ground wall outlet. Do not use an adapter. Keep safe distance from children and pets. Do not use for aquariums or potentially moist areas. And the warning is printed on both sides the same. So nice product. Now let's go inside, plug this thing in, and give it a shot. So here's to give you a comparison between these two flat plugs. You can see how much thinner this one is than this one. Now this one is a bit beefier wire. The way I've got that hooked up is for a microwave. So this one is much thinner. Right, now here it is plugged into an outlet. You can see it's very flush to the wall, and it's got a LED light, so when it's turned on, it's got the little light there so you know it's turned on. Now let's try to plug in some USB stuff and see what we got. Okay, so the USB plugs right into there, and then plugs right into the watch as well. Come on. So overall, I really like the design of this unit. That cord is just amazingly thin. Like I said, this is the thinnest flat cord that I've personally seen. So really nice design. I like that it has the built-in USB A and C. The little fold out to be able to wall hang it is a lot easier than trying to just deal with the T-slot holes on the back of the unit. This one, you can just fold it out and screw it right in. So really a well thought out unit, and I will have a link in the description if you wanted to get one for yourself and try it out. So thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. You are appreciated.